Okay, we're ready to start again. And because I'm thinking about Easter, I'm thinking about a song that I always loved to sing in kindergarten. It's a little silly, and it has this word. Do you see the ending? I-N-G. What's that part? Ing. Uh-oh, now wait a minute. I'm going to do this. If I cover the first part, I put a P in front of ing. What does that say? P, ing, ping. Now I'm going to cover up ping. All right. Ooh. Do the sounds with me. B-A-P. Bop. What a silly word. Bop. Ping. Bopping. Bopping? I'm going to hang that right up here because we are going to talk about bopping. Are you ready? You need a little rabbit for this. Here we go. Make one. Little bunny foo-foo, hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and bopping 'em on the head. Down came the good fairy, and she said, Little bunny foo-foo, I don't like your attitude, scooping up the field mice and bopping 'em on the head. I'm going to give you 3 chances, and if you don't behave, I'm going to turn you into a goon. Well, the next day, little bunny foo-foo, hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and bopping 'em on the head. Down came the good fairy, and she said, Little bunny foo-foo, I don't like your attitude, scooping up the field mice and bopping 'em on the head. I'm going to give you 2 more chances, and if you don't behave, I'm going to turn you into a goon. Well, the next day, little bunny foo-foo, hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and bopping 'em on the head. Down came the good fairy, and she said, Little bunny foo-foo, I don't like your attitude, scooping up the field mice and bopping 'em on the head. I'm going to give you 1 more chance, and if you don't behave, I'm going to turn you into a goon. Little bunny foo-foo, hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and bopping 'em on the head. Down came the good fairy, and she said, Little bunny foo-foo, I don't like your attitude, scooping up the field mice and bopping 'em on the head. I gave you 3 chances, and you didn't behave. So now I'm going to turn you into a goon. Oops. And the moral of the story is, hare today, goon tomorrow. I hope you like that. It was a little silly, but I think it's kind of fun. Now, I'd also like to do some math with you today. Yesterday, you did your 10 frames. Woohoo! Nice job. Well, look at this. I don't have my 10 frames at home, so I had to make some. And when you look at this, I have 1 full 10 frame and 1 empty one. 1 group of 10 and 0 more makes 10. Super. Okay, you ready? A group of 10 and 3 more. 13. Let's see. This one's a little harder. There's a group of 10 here. Do you know how many's on the bottom? That's right, 5 and 1 makes 6. So a group of 10 and 6 more? 16. How would you write 16? 1, 6. Good. Okay, you ready? Another 10 frame. 10 and 14. Boys and girls and moms and dads, we've done this before, and it needs to become more automatic to them. So if they're having trouble doing this, you may want to make your own set at home. Group of 10 and 7 more. 17. Ooh, here's an easy one. That's right, 11. 10 and 1 more, 11. 15. I heard somebody say it. 10 and 5 is 15. Ooh, this one's got a lot of filled up places. So it's one group of 10 and 19. 18. Nicely done. 10 and 2. 12. And what about that one? Everything's full. It's now how many groups of 10? 2 groups of 10 and how many? 0 more. That's right, it's 20. Very good. There's a lot to that. Now, for today's work, yesterday you did 11, 12, 13, 14. So today, we're going to do the same thing with 15, 16, 17, and 18. Remember, you took a piece of paper, folded it in half. Then you turned it and folded it in half again. Now, up here on my board, I'll do the first one with you because I know not everybody's getting to see every video every day. So we're going to start with 15. And the first thing you need to do is you need to make your 10 frames. And this is hard sometimes for children. This part's okay if mom or dad does it for you. So you would start with a 10 frame. And even when I made all those cards today with those 10 frames, I had 2 papers I had to throw away because I made a mistake. So it is hard to get them situated. There's 10. And if I fill it up, I have now one group of 10, and so I need to make another 10 frame. And how many would I put on this one? One group of 10, and that's right, 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if you were going to write an equation for these 10 frames, you could start with how many in the first one? 10 plus, how many in the second one? 5 equals 15. Someone asked me, can the kids really do that? We've done it before, haven't we? And Lucy, oh my goodness, you blew my mind. Lucy decided, I'm going to show Miss Red how smart I am. She wrote that equation 4 ways. She wrote, well, yesterday's work. She wrote 10 plus 5 equals 15. 5 plus 10 equals 15. 15 equals 10 plus 5, and 15 equals 5 plus 10. You don't have to do all that. That was a choice she made, and that's fine. This is what I'd like to see. So on 16, have someone draw you how many 10 frames? You're going to need 2. Have them draw the 10 frames, and then you can fill them up the right way and make the equation. So today, you have 2 jobs. Number 1 was to draw a picture of Easter. Easter. If your family doesn't celebrate Easter, it's really about all the things that happen in the spring. So draw something that makes you happy about spring. That would be great. And then I want you to do the writing. I don't want your mom or dad to write it and have you copy it. It's okay just to have a few letters if that's what you can do. It's okay to have 8 sentences if that's what you can do. Okay? Because I need to see what you can do so I can help you go further. And together we can do this. Same with the math. Do your job. Do your best. I'm always happy when I see that a child has done their best. Okay? Ready? How about we count together to end this video today? Ready? I'm going to stop sometimes and you fill in. So let's start with 63. Are you ready? 63, 64. I hope you're counting. That was 65. Here we go. 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Good. 71, 72, 73, 75, 76, 77, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 86, 87, 88, 90, 91, 92, 93, 95, 96, 90, 98, 99, 100. How about we do our firecracker cheer together? Ready? Awesome job. Ready? 5 little speckled frogs sat on a rolling log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 4 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. 4 little speckled frogs sat on a rolling log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 3 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. 3 little speckled frogs sat on a rolling log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 2 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. 2 little speckled frogs sat on a rolling log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there was 1 green speckled frog. Glub, glub. 1 little speckled frog sat on a rolling log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. He jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were no green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. Went the little green frog one day. Went the little green frog. Went the little green frog one day, and his eyes went. Bye, boys and girls.